Hello everyone, my name is Rishabh Kumar and today I will talk about new model service agreement for electrolyzer as a service EAS. So we know that National Green Hydrogen Mission was launched to increase the production, usage and export of green hydrogen from our country. And to accelerate the adoption of green hydrogen, Indian government has launched electrolyzer as a service agreement on 23rd July 2026. In this agreement, there are some guidelines for the project developers and consumers. So first of all, it will reduces the transaction cost. It will also reduce the time between the time of negotiation between these consumers and the project developers, and it can also increase the risk aspect. And this is not a legal document. This is kind of a reference. It can be used as a reference in future, and it can be modified. It can be modified in future as for the requirement of the customers and condition of the project developers. Thank you.